Now let's do some practice using an example. So let's look at number 1. The person is prone, and this is a neutral position, and we found that deep sulcus on the left and DILA on the left. So when we see the same side deep sulcus and same side DILA, what can we figure out? So pause the video a little bit and think about it before I give you an answer. So this means that it's not an oblique axis, right? So that's all I can know right now. Then now what we do is that we do the Sphinx test. And as a result of the Sphinx test, let's say that DILA still exists on the left side. Now from this, what can we know? Pause the video and think about it before I give you an answer. Now, as a result of the Sphinx test, DILA didn't disappear. That means it's extension-based lesion or dysfunction. And now we know that deep sulcus was on the left and it's extension-based lesion. So what is the classification for this lesion? Pause the video and think about it before I give you an answer. It will be one-sided extension on the right side, because deep sulcus was on the left, but it's because the right side was extended and left side felt like it was deep sulcus. Okay, now let's do the second one. Again, the person is prone and neutral, and we found that deep sulcus was on the left side and DILA was on the right side. What can we know from this? Think about it before I give you an answer. Okay, we know that this is an oblique axis dysfunction. And we also know that because the deep sulcus is on the left, so it'll be the right rotation, right? And we do the Sphinx test. And then as a result of the Sphinx test, let's say that there's no DILA. Now what does that mean? Pause the video and think about it before I give you an answer. Yeah, this means that it is a flexion-based lesion. So now we know that it's flexion-based lesion and it's also oblique axis. So like I mentioned earlier, flexion-based lesion, but it's oblique axis. That means the direction of rotation and axis of rotation, they are the same. So now we don't know that it's a right rotation. So it's a right rotation on the right oblique axis, which we call usually right on right sacral torsion. The first right, means the rotation, direction of rotation. The second right, so right on right. The second right means the oblique axis. Yeah, so hopefully this feels quite simple for you now.